Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and this session we will be discussing about Ansible. Alright, so Ansible is a network. Ansible is used for the network programming. So it's a very high-end and reliable scripting. So without doing any scripting or doing basic or minimum scripting, you will be able to manage huge network features and all this. So regarding network programmability, so Ansible, this is the first post that we have put it here. Now you can see it's here. What are the components are there inside the Ansible and why Ansible? So you can see here it create and maintain scripts without writing a complex code. And there is one language is there. There's a library like your Python library. So playbooks is the one best features. All that features will be installed in this playbook only. So from there we'll be executing like orchestration, automation, everything, and it's very secure. So open SSH works here, and it's very highly secured. So you can have a multiple device connectivity and communication at the same time. Okay, so in this lab we are supposed to explain about that lab how you will be doing it. So that you will check now. So lab deployment we are going to do for the Ansible. Okay, so this is that one Ubuntu machine, uh, Ubuntu latest version. So you can see it here. So this is some unnecessary packages here. You will be We can delete that, and this one also we don't need it, so we can exit. So now we will be making full screen, so you'll feel like you are in the real machine. Now first you will be going here and put it terminal. Once you'll be putting terminal, you will get see this. So sudo minus I. So you will be coming here. You'll get that root privilege. So for that, you will give that first command sudo apt advanced package tool and then get update. So it's very important to have a latest package to get updated with. It won't take much time, so keep some patience and have a look. So you see it's very fast and we have got it. Now you'll give this command sudo then apt and then uh, get software properties. Software properties common. Okay, so that's fine. Now sudo apt get install python python 3. So python also is installed, newest version, you can see it here. The newest version of the python is installed. If you want to check python and then hyphen v. Now see, you're inside that python. You have to come out from here, type exit. So yeah, here out. Okay, now we will be installing we will be adding that repositories for that Ansible. So how we'll be doing sudo and then you can put apt get apt, or you can put add then repository then ppa then Ansible. Now give enter. So Ansible repository will be, yeah, these all Ansible in repositories. So you do sudo apt get install Ansible. So you'll give yes. So Ansible will start installing. So you can see it's installed. Now how you'll be checking it? You type here Ansible, then hyphen version. So you can see it here. So Ansible has been installed. Now if you go here Ansible, these are the Ansible entire libraries and everything. Okay, so hyphen version. So we can see here the Python version is this, and today mm, the latest version we have updated with. So this is how we can install Python. Sorry, install Ansible in your machine. So you have seen it how to install you know Ansible in your machine. All right. So now you can see it here, latest update. So I will install it. So after that, in next videos we'll be doing that small scripts and labs on this. So I'm just you know signing out from here up to this. So you guys you can install that Ansible in your machine.